Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Goodnight Moon ABC, an alphabet book, based on the book by Margaret Wise Brown and pictures by Clement Hurd. Let's get into the video. Goodnight Moon ABC, an alphabet book. A air, B brush, C clock, D doll, E elephant, F fireplace, G giraffe, H house, I in the great green room, J jump over the moon, K kittens, L lamp, M mouse, N needles, O outside, P paintings, Q quiet old lady, R red balloon, S stars, U under the covers, T telephone, V valley, W wood, X can you find me, Y yarn, good night stars, good night air, good night noises everywhere, Z's. I hope you guys enjoyed Goodnight Moon, ABC, an alphabet book, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.